Hey guys, so you might have noticed that recently I got my new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it is a beautiful phone, and they were advertising that these cameras are absolutely amazing with their 100 times zoom. So I really tested it out with this phone with the moon. First, let's try with 3 times zoom. It instantly recognizes it's the nighttime, and let's review it. AI enhances it and now it's bright. I realize the window is closed, so let's try again 3 times, and here we go. This is much better. So now let's bump it up to 10 times zoom. I decreased the exposure and it was okay. So I tried again and the result was just so-so. Let's go to 30 times because it gets a lot more interesting there. Wow, the AI really recognizes it and enhances it, looking absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just going to quickly compare against my camera photo, which is taken with my Sony Alpha 6400 with a zoom lens, not the big zoom lens. And it's exactly the same moon as you can see. So now the exciting part, 100 times, 100 times. And yes, it recognizes that I am taking a picture of the moon. And here it is. Amazing. The AI enhancement, and it is the real moon. The AI enhancement really does the trick. And it's as if I have a little telescope inside my new phone. So yes, it is AI enhanced image, but the moon totally looked like what it really looked like on that particular day. So I wondered if it would take anything that looks bright in the dark as the moon. But actually I tried in some other similar spot, but no, it does not recognize it as the moon. It only recognizes the moon as the moon. So it's not fake, it's just heavily AI enhanced. So how about during daytimes? How does 100 times zoom perform during the daytime? And I actually spotted the moon during the daytime as well. And here is the result. It looks absolutely beautiful. But how about 100 times zoom in sort of normal objects such as the top of the mountain and so on? And I thought the result was not as beautiful as the moon, but still, it's okay. Although 30 times or 10 times zoom during daytime is so much better. So yes, the cameras on S23 Ultra, all of them are incredible. 100 times zoom on the moon worked really well. On other objects, 100 times was just okay. And 30 times zoom was pretty amazing on the moon as well. But for everyday use, what I love is the 10 times zoom because it takes beautiful photos as well as videos. So I'm gonna continue loving and using my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll come back with other interesting tips. So see you!